Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 12th June 2025. Anil Ambani's Reliance Infrastructure and Reliance Power are experiencing a significant resurgence with stock prices soaring. Reliance Infrastructure benefited from a legal reprieve and strategic defense contract, while Reliance Power is boosted by major solar projects and a return to profitability. These developments spark hopes for a potential comeback after years of financial struggles. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, or CBIC, has issued a circular to eliminate ambiguity regarding the requirement of quoting the Document Identification Number, or DIN, in GST communications. CBIC has clarified that DIN is not mandatory for communications generated through the GST Common Portal. This includes all forms of notices, orders and letters issued via the system interface of the portal. CBIC has emphasized that taxpayers and officers should rely exclusively on the RFN for verifying the legitimacy of any communication issued via the portal. A dedicated utility for this verification is available on the GST portal. The Central Board of Direct Taxes, or CBDT, has extended the deadline prescribed in the second proviso to Section 143(1) of the Income Tax Act 1961. This extension relates to the processing of valid income tax returns filed electronically for assessment year 23-24 under Section 139. As per the CBDT directive, returns for which the intimation dispatch date has already expired will now be processed, and the intimation under Section 143(1) will be sent to the respective taxpayers on or before 30th November 2025. In a strategic move to secure rare earth magnets, a critical component for the electric vehicle and electronics industries, the government is exploring ways to boost domestic manufacturing of these vital raw materials amid China's export restrictions. Officials are evaluating how India Rare Earths Limited, a Government of India PSU, can be leveraged for rare earth magnet production. The government is also considering private sector collaborations with India Rare Earths Limited to build domestic capacity. Electronics manufacturing services company Zetwork Electronics officially started work on setting up its manufacturing facility in Devanelli, Bengaluru. The facility will help Zetwork expand its capabilities to serve areas such as high-growth electronic system design and manufacturing for sectors like industrials, telecom, auto, consumer durables, and strategic electronics. Jubilant Bhartiya Group's promoters are selling minority stakes in listed companies to raise Rs 2,000 crore for partially funding the acquisition of a 40% stake in Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverages. Goldman Sachs Asset Management has already raised $600 million for the deal, and the group is divesting non-core assets. The deal values Coca-Cola's bottling arm at Rs 31,250 crore.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.